double tao kilithi no the hanya ni petama plachu hutara ni pe edo he ketura no makala teninya ini loso loni maya do kero segota tutu muta temu bala pa isila pute pa ta hutara pokon lo no. I want to come and tell you about the story today. Very strange, very strange. Okay. I think something important to our people that believe God. Okay, to our people believe God because the God punish only His people today. Okay, the God punish only His people. Okay, we don't sure about this. Okay, but remember then but the sure man, but the sure about it and but it didn't man, but lock just like Mason to me. Okay, awakening that God has power. Okay, whatever the God can do everything. Okay, believe me, my friends, my brother, believe me. Okay, don't think about yourself. You are the perfect man, or you are the you has the wisdom, or you have the something important. Okay. Teninya ini pero de takatu de pa le takatu de pa ne no Judah to serve Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, Judah to serve Nebuchadnezzar. This meaning is very very important. Okay, why we have the question why? Okay, I want to read for you about a little bit about in the Bible. Jeremiah chapter 27. Okay, here is in the regions of the Zedekiah. Okay, Zedekiah son of the Josiah king of Judah. Okay, Josiah is the king of Judah now. Josiah ne mera la pagtama pa Judah po asopan. Nobody behind me, guys. Nobody behind me. Sorry about this. Nobody behind me. Remember this, okay? Nobody behind me. Only just myself, and I speaking by myself. Okay? Sorry. Thank you so much to today. Okay? Here, okay? This welcome to the Jeremiah from the Lord. Okay? Taka to wani heora su no pagtermala Jeremiah. Le corporal le kasayo no to God, to Lord. No kasa. This is what the Lord said to me. Away kasaywa deba yala tagiway long. Make a yoke out of straws and the crossbars and put it on your neck. Okay. Maro tawita you he do bugiterma yakaparo tala no parotala bugiterma la tulo no le tu colo next and le tu colo. Then sent word to the king of Edom, no? Edom. No, pagkitera mala awe solo wara takatu le pagkitera mala no. Awe ni sopa gora le king of Edom, no? Sopa Edom do pagkitera mala Moars, no? Moars na Ammons and the Taris and the Sidon through the avians who has come to Jerusalem. Okay. Later on, come to Jerusalem to no Zedekiah king of Judah. When Hevera su no Zedekiah so yuta only long no pagterma when it so party pano. Cobra le heso pa pera aglu su tiu koga no kalu kasa. Pa de rune kera kalu kasa no kera la envir no para dune no ora la envir ne no envies envers ne gera erons and moar amors okay panel of Matari the Sidon no I want to put them party doing them on Kasa Hesora no. Lapa Kropatu Pata La Pain, let's when it's so saw Pagatamala saw Payuda po no see the Kia saw Pa Umano did give them a message for their master and say no. There are a hilo ta Pagatamala message sit and takaso. Su Pagdama tu Taran no Deva de no their master no a weti Taran or de or demon no de or demon no. This is what the Lord now Almighty the God of Israel say no. When he meet a love Pagdama no kasajwa le Pagdama mana asodo akamodo no asodo komodo kasa pa israpo kasa no pagitana mana tewe di lo pa israpo kasa ne tewe di lo tell this to your master no teba le tu tarati de pa no master no with my great powers and austrous and I made the earth and its people and the animals that are on it no away ni mitala pagdama great power no pagdama you all tasudama padu to me okay great power do you do you su do you tibara pagdama earth no the hoku is people in the animal that are on it no pagdama pakanyoro sabuku potir pala hok away alone tawe alone no pagdama and I give is to anyone's I please no ye hilo puargalo ye batha on no please sit down and batha no batha pagdama tawe no batha no please now I will hand all your country over to my servant Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon. No, did I know? Oh, when it's so bad, Nebuchadnezzar, no? Cobra le so lo babulu so bad, Nebuchadnezzar, no? Penny, kilikasi, no? Now, ni kalo, no? I will hand all, see that, no? Panero, pagdana, yeke hilo, no? Hand oars and I yeke hilo, kilikasi, no? Kilikasi, pagdama to your country over, no? Pagdama ula penny, no? Ne tu ti quadriba, no? Pagdana tu ti quadriba to my servant, no? Yekijipwa, Gora, no? So pan the book and sunny, Gora, Yekijipwa, no? My servant, no? Let no corner pacro patupala, Casaya batha will appall a head of he will he will double it or to do, no? Did upon sukumu da totola castle to down, no? No, don't think about yourselves, you are the populace, okay? I just to him, no? I will make even the wild animal subject to him. Na pagitermala, yekamara la pagitermala. Tibo kopola tapo or subject, no pagitermala. No, when you meet a kera, not sabu kopo erdiclu, pagiterma, sabu kopo erdiclu, pagitermala, no yekama or la pagiterma, sabu kopo de glula. I work a perva tibo kopo, no? I want to yek a manio, no? All nation will serve him. No, pagiterma. How could daughter planning ba ma tapitama, no? Pagiterma, how could daughter planning? And his son and his grandson, until the time for his land come, no pagiterma. Do apukwa, do pagiterma ali, no grandson ali. A tula lut a secretary pagiterma. A talo takleted pakale. Gehegna. Then many nation and no pagiterma great king we search grace when a search grace sidane pagiterma him no pagiterma search grace sidane away ni mitala do upwala pata pola de get all a kepo no pagiterma pane no many nation no do get away to get or a kepo no if However, no miracle to me any nation or kingdom which not serves Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon, or bound is under his yoke. No, but away name, no sopa Nebuchadnezzar, but the war, but tik hoku clear, no, but sopa tirpano, sopa tirpa atamawara sopa Nebuchadnezzar atama. Doka Yora Atapita Mava, no I will punish the nation with a sword, no? Bagdedamala, no away Kamawara, no Kasayuani, awake a punish, no Bagdedamano. A pain a punish Sidana, awake hita senior, no, awake a senior, Hoku door the plur, door, no, sword, Sidana, crepit, door pain, no, door part hordicle, no, sword, no. Do part article in it all, no? But my pain, no? Famines and pledge, no? Declare the Lord's, no? Pain plumets that not tata will do, Pagdama Tasuta Sata Gulu, awake a mawara, no? When you know, planets the, no? Declare the Lord's until I destroys it by his hand, no? Pagdama Dula, Pagdama Mala, Dula, Pagdama aware, Yakama Hawa Quilla, Asu, no Pagdama Asu. His hands done so panabo canisa asu, no Pagdama, when you know. So do not listen to your prophets, no. Away, no, Jeremiah telling about the Israel people, Judah people, okay, Israel people. Okay, don't listen to your prophets, Sitane, no? Aware Terra Teno, so Kaini, no, through the Palo Dukana, through Pagitana, through with it, through with the party power, no? Your diviner, Tala diviner, Sitane, Paine Korala, Bakara Jua, no, Pwa Majua Tapitama, Dipana, Bakara Jua, no? Your interpreters of dream, no, Pagitana, Pala Asset, Pala Pagitana, Apatamimo, no? Your medium or your sorcerers, no, sorcerer, no, who tell you, no, Pagitama, medium, no, your medium, Sidana Midala, Pala Abusa, I do a seat, no, because sorcerer, ne, Pala Magda, Pame, I went it, Pakalakase, no. Pala a death, Madagala a death, no, Pagitama. You will not serve, not the king or Babylon, no. Away ni katetu look at it bama so Babylon attack it no Babylon, you will not serve Babylon. The king of Babylon said, I know, to the Balumara, Dineba, no, to the Balumara. You will not, no, they prophecy lie to you, no, thus will only some to remove you far from your land. No, a worthy terror, no, a worthy leader, not the lie, no, the prophecy lies, it done, no. Pakatura a leader, no, a worthy leader, no, but will only serve to the most, you know. Pagdamala pakamarama do pakatida justa logile talot totom no tira no when you know I will banish you and you will perish no perish pagdamala away no yakamahago no banish sidane pagda yitulubana lava yakamahagu hawa qui no pagdena hama qui maloma qui pagdena manimo. But if any nation we bound is not under the yoke of the king of Babylon, no? But the Basanaki, me, no pagdena mala, any nation sit on a metala, how could daughter plum, no? How could daughter plum aware ka klala a co no pagdena mala ake klala a co su Babylon, no Babylon under yoke pagdena mala tahuta hele under yoke, no Meta pita mata mile pagete mala pakra patu patala pata hota ge pusikolo no away ne pakra masikolo tagi tir power sikolo no no pagete pay ni tamata tir pala patamu no no pay ro tebra I will let the nation remain in the old land to till is taken ne pagete mala kira lo pak sigte no away remain no the thing not hockey away the pano I will let sit down I want to meet all you can do thing okay away the pala away now is old land away the anoka sara way I he a ho away the ano a clear away not $2 talo 2K no it no little no could up no and to live there declare the Lord's no away the no to go over penny no kasayua no pagde mala declares bubatinya te paratino when it do batinya te paratino you are te paratino I give this same message to no Zedekiah king of Judah no ye hilo ra pagde mala takaso no pagde ma ye hilo takalu su sopa Zedekiah no when it meet ala pa Judah po sopa no I said bound your net under the yoke of the king of Babylon. Now, when you know, Namba, you know, Nakota he su Pagatermana, Pagater Nakobo, su sopa babulo, no, olo, no, save him and his people, and you will live, no, Negaba mata, do, no, apwarawe his people no do apwarawe do neko umu no you will live no neko umu phane no namba mata no neko umu why no will you and your people die by the sword no why ba manu le ni mitama wa ni na ro na pwa ni akathilo now bo no akathilo now bo okay Then I could have crop patu pata pay, no? Got the pakula papu patu pata pay sickle, no? I went in on famines and the plus way which the Lord has threatened any nation that will not serve the king of Babylon. No, but gentlemen, I went in. Me tata will do, no tasuta sati the pano. I went in. No, pagkatete mala awene kasajwa thread sidan no kasayo mara no any nation that will not serve the king of Babylon no pa no pagkatete mala no tiko agugati pa mitamara sopa babulo atapita matit pa wane kabata wane no awene no pagkatete mano do not listen to the words of the prophets who not say to you no pagkatete mala nadabalo dukana wala no na pagkatera mala na wither pa no pwala atete no pwala atete tidbalo dukana no tidbalo kana no awale no for they are prophesying lie to you they are prophesying lie to you it's mean okay someone come and tell to you okay the God tell me okay the God tell me or maybe okay we know about the Bible say about okay you never get hurt okay maybe the God love you or the God take care of you the gods never send the prophets and by gods okay who tell you you don't need to listen exactly about this okay I want to remind you okay then ko paka sikitulo parga hete apaka madi lo kle tole paka mata weilo no away ni kasayo aglu talo kasayo no kasayo ne kapo seku ya polo away ni mita ka mata milo no pagiteno parga me teba tudi ni di do no never listen na terale palo dukana ni no tu me dukana ni away ni titakama no away ni away te lio loda no pagiteno the rat no no le heli or lora biden mala heli da lora le hete mu tina no tara le hete da le te mu tina ma ti da ne me tara le agi lo no hete tu ro te ta le aba ti da ne awen me ta le tara le agi no tara le hete li da lora ne me tara le biden mala atagi ba no okay I had not sent them เนาะပကတဲ့မှာလဲရတမလောဝတိပါ okay I had not sent them เนาะတာလ prophet တဲ့မှာနေကစားရမိတမလောမှာနေအဝတိမာရတိနော်မိပါเนาะအဝိနေเนาะ Jeremiah David ဒီလောเนาะI had not sent them declare the Lord's เนาะအဝိနေကစားရdo ဘလောဝဒเนาะ declare เนี่ยအဝိနေပကတဲ့မှာလဲကစားရ do ဘလောဝနေเนาะบูบัติญาเจพลาโรเวกษายาบูบัติญาเนาะกษายาเจพลาโรเวตากิตากลูเวนี่โลเนาะเอาเวนี่ปกติญาเลปตามุปุสิโกโล they are prophesy เนาะ they are prophesy line in my name เนาะ prophesy line in my name สินะเอาเวเตเฮโดปกติมาลีดาโลดาเลยจะมีเนาะเอาเวเฮกตูราปกติมาเฮเจพลาโรดาปกติมาแล้วลีดาลอดาเลยจะมีมั้งเนาะโอเคปกติมาตั้งอยู่เนาะมุมสัตย์นี่สิก็ประมาทพิจารณาเนาะก็สักทีปานอนนี่มาโอเคwe doing something in the church or we doing we prophesy okay that God doesn't tell nothing to us okay this mean only just we read in Bible okay therefore I will banish youth and you ways นาะperish both you and the prophets who prophesy to you okay awani kasaya pagnama banish no kasaya kama hawa kuiwera no kasaya kama hawa kuiwera la pagtena mala kasinyo hot kuiwera la bakala no do pakanyo tirpha no pagna both sidane pala adugana da no pala a prophesy no pala a he katura la wi aklu tirpha no we did palm no when it say your senior no pain it then I said to the preach and all these people no but we run in no yet David ala pala but priest pala ke kukena tir pa kele kese no le pati the pa no data no this is what the Lord say away ni mitala kasaya David no what the Lord say ni kasaya David no do not listen to the prophets who say no pagtena mala na du de palo dugana ta la no pagna withe de pa katura madagala katura te de pa madagala katura no very soon now the article from the Lord's house will be brought back from Babylon no pagna very soon now sidane no asula klima no pagtena ma takweta uwera la kasaywa no ka maniki wera la pagtena ma na ka ke soki wera no hi le Babylon no ne sona ne tudpalo sukumoni no don't be think about it when it prophesy lie no let no good pain it devra no there are prophesying lying to you when no prophesy lie to you when it made a wheel a leader lord no pagtena ma ta kalu a leader lord no pagtena no prophesy no do not listen to them no pagtena ma tudpalo dukana awati ba no do not listen to them no tudpalo dukana awati ba no then gonna set the king of Babylon no when it think about ma tamala babulo no think about ma tamala babulo no think about ma atakita patama and you will live no don tuko umu dume mas babulo tamane tuko umu when no Jeremiah hetera la bakala babulo akiklo no pagtena ma when le pa yuda pho ko umu ni akiklo no why should this city come and ruin no but now ba manu ko lo the water pai tama atala no pagtena ma la aka hawo me ta hawo le no ka ba hawo le no ta kiro ta la ka ba hawo le no ruin no if they are prophets and have the word of the Lord no pagtena ma la awate me la we the pa la pagtena ma ta to heaven la kasaya no kasani ta to heaven la kasani pagtena ma no let them please with the Lord's Almighty that the furnishing now remains in the house of the Lord and not in the palace of the king or Judas in Jerusalem, nor be taken to Babylon. Now, when it parted upon no meme parted upon Pagdamala, away ni no ta a her a yoke, not furnishing and ta fear. No furnishing ta her you not ta do thin not hockey ta you a her you Pagdama learn new solo sopa anubu no Pagdama la painting corala no you are no panero pay Judah do Jerusalem a couple Pagdama one no Pagdama no the ba he talk with ba le babuluba no from this is what the Lord Almighty say about the pillars, the seed, the mover stand, and the others, the federation that are left in the city. Now, pagterma awani pagterma la no pay ni letagi wani for no kasa yuala audo asugdu akamadurga no udo asudu kamadurga Pagate mala, Tevera la ta wei le pagate mala, ta two pa, no pillar. Pill ne ta two pa, do pagate mala, tea clothed pa, no pagate mala, polited pa, do ta to talk to law or thee, no Gorala move ever sit down, no when it ta to law or thee, le pagate mala, no ta hurt to pa, no pagate mala. Away ni ba party wala la the war puni lo the one ni lo no pagte dini itu no let the war no let the war pagte man which Nebuchadnezzar king of Babylon did not take away when he carries no pagte ma Jehoiah son of no pagte ma son of Jehoiakim no Jehoiakim came of Judah into exile from the Jerusalem to Babylon. No? Away ni awate the hiniwa wera la pagtena mala sopa babulo no pagtena mala awane sopa Jehoshia no sopa Jehoshiki no awane pate pane sikwane no that he no no when no cover that chora babulo no Pagdama along with all nobles of the Jews, Judah and the Jerusalem. No? Yes, no, Pagdana away no. Kalagasi, no, Pala, Pakuti, Kuba, no, Padupa, Pa, nobles in a Padupa party farm, no, Padupa party pa Kalagasi, no, away Kaba, no, Pagdana Mala. Overall, Judah or Jerusalem, Milo, no, no. This is what the Lord Almighty, no, the God of Israel said about the things that are left in the house of the Lord and in the palace of the king of Judah and in Jerusalem. When it started pine, Kaba no, Pagiterma so Kasayala or a Susuriga, Devera, Pagiterma, a Sudukamo, Durgan, Devera, Takaba party, you started pine, no. Pagiterma le Judah Jerusalem no when now they will be taken to the Babylon and there they will remain until the day I came from them no then no kutara takaba hito sorakwele babulo no tulo mutni le tagdo thino tokile mutni le awete kabahaki gidaki ni lo no come from them awete hevera le taweni no declare the laws no, then I will bring them back and restore them to this place. No, Pagterma. Away ni, no, Kasaya do thin not hockey brother, no, Kasaya did thin of the killer, Jacka, no, he get Kaki sogi with the le talaway to lola, Pagterma distro, no. Restore not then to the place ne come up with give it all a talaway law. Then no good up a no. Remember, okay, the God doesn't say you nothing, don't say nothing. Okay. Only the God sent the God prophets to say this is the right thing. Okay, the right thing. The gods never say the wrong thing. Okay, the God saying the right thing every time. Remember this, my friends, my brother, my sister. Okay, remember all the thing. Whatever you do, something you think about you doing the right. That's not right. Okay, sometimes you think about you doing the right. That's not right because you think about you have the Holy Spirit. I don't think so. Sometimes once you have the Holy Spirit, you will telling the truth. You never saying people. You never. Okay, you never think about, oh, this why it can kill me, this guy is maybe, oh, I scary, this guy is, I can't tell, this guy is my friend, this guy my neighbor, this one I cannot tell the truth. Okay, I hiding something, this is wrong, this is a mean that prophesy lie. Okay, prophesy lie. Remember this, my friend and my brother, remember. Okay, the day it come to you, don't think about it. You cannot lie anything to other people. Okay, but the people doesn't know you can lie to them. Okay, the people doesn't know you can lie to them, but the people know the truth, you can lie. Okay, someone come and show out the truth, someone come and show out the force. This means is that good and bad. Okay, in the world we have, in the world, so somebody think about it. Okay, the world is the good, not good, my friend and my brother. The world is very stranger. Okay, look like strange. Okay, killing people, hating people. Okay, and then stolen other lands. Okay, for weaknesses. This is wrong. Everything is wrong in the world. Remember this. Okay, don't believe anybody's in your heart. Okay, I believe about myself, and then I believe God tell me something. I rejected it. I believe one day we will be good person. Okay, don't killing, don't murder, don't steal. Okay, this is a very good thing. Don't force testimony. Remember this, my brother sister. No, but about who but about data leader Lord about me data mita tolo bitamu. No, but about muno tatotalo. No, but about hipatale takolo but about marala ta topuba. No, but about matita. But thing yellow batala. But some like but maral block on a plida put up on it. Not palupa trepaki. I want to meet Takamala, no, double it el kill it soon, Takamala, no. Think about data metato, think about letato talo door, think about maralo takuta populo, no takuta polo talita lonica about a sicoba, takuta polo tametato locasaya bata, no. Let no go on it, Teninya tamalo, not tamalo. Today we learn, okay, Israel people how to search to the Babylon, okay, to the king of Nebuchadnezzar, king of Babylon. Okay, remember this, my brother and sister. Remember, okay, this is a lesson we are learning from this. Okay, but Malonitalo Sopa Nebuchadnezzar, Kasaya Kora, this is my seven. Okay, the God called the king. Okay, Nebuchadnezzar, this is my seven. Okay, why Nebuchadnezzar? He don't know God. Why the God called his seven? Is that this is a make me strange? Okay, remember, my brother and sister. Every person can be God's servant because the God said, "Whatever I please." Okay, whatever I please. Okay, anyone I please, I can give it them. Okay, I can give it them. Here, the God given all nation to the Nebuchadnezzar. Okay, the king of Babylon. After that, Judas, Israel people, so handle himself to the king of Babylon. Thank you so much, my brother and sister. God bless you. Okay, God will show you the right thing. You will get something from the Bible. Okay, not from me. I am nothing. Okay, you are the good person. You will get something from the Bible. Read it by yourself. You don't understand when I'm talking about this. Okay, Jeremiah chapter 27. Go back to read it. No. Yete tu mi tena po lo ti lo se bara ki phagi tu no ka sala we no awe ni wirmia no wirmia asedo kisi do nui akupu ni no awe ni bakalo yuda no yuda sopa pa ishila po no awe ti the pa ba le mata bita mala babulo again lo. Thank you. I will see you next time. Bye bye. God bless you all.